If you love extra glam, Cardi B attitude, and flawless makeup that pops on brown skin, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
What's going on with YouTube lagging? Everybody been talking about, damn, what's going on? Hey, YouTube. Yeah, we got Cardi B fans in the building.
We are going to start off with the brows, of course. I'm going to use my Nicka K Coca. And I love this shade because it's not too dark and it's not too light. So I love filling my brows in with this Nicka K Auto Twist pencil. And I love that I don't have to sharpen it. So I can just apply it and just go on. So I do love this pencil. And I'm just blending it in right now so you guys can see. And next, I'm going to use my favorite concealer. One of my favorite concealers is going to be Nicka K. And this is number 8, Cinnamon. I love this concealer because it's not too dark, it's not too light, and it blends very good with my skin tone, which I have like warm undertones. So it helps give my eyebrow an arch. And I want it to look nice. So, recreating this Cardi B look. So I think that blending this in too, look how it just give it the perfect look. And now I'm going to use my Sunset Sangria by Nicka K. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong, but I love this eyeshadow palette as well. It's very affordable and it's $4 at your local beauty supply store. So I'm just using the light reddish brown color that's in the eyeshadow palette. So it does not have a name, but I'm just going back and forth and I am blending in that color. So now with me doing that, I am going to do next is going to use the silver color, like the pink. It's not silver, it's a pink color. It's like a peach color that I used. And I'm just blending that in for you guys. And then next, I'm going to use my eyeliner, my Absolute New York eyeliner, which I love. So I just love to blend it in. And this only costs $2.99 at my local store. And it looks really, really good. So I am just filling that in for the moment. Just making sure that my lashes are intact as well. So I'm going to apply my lashes. And I think I'm using Poppy Ivy. No, LaFlare. And I'm going to show you guys that as well. So I'm just going to do the opposite side of my eye. So I'm making sure that my eyebrows are even. Yes, I did have the hardest time of applying my my brows, because I had the hardest time. Like one of my brows is like square and the other side is circle. So I am like doing my best. So I'm going to use my Missha B cream as well that Cardi B did advertise. And I love the color number 41. It's called medium tan and it blends very good with my skin tone, and I love the moisture. And I am also applying my Nicka K concealer number 9 Camel, and I'm just going to blend it in with my finger. I'm not using no brush, just my fingers only. And like you guys, I love the moisture of the Missha BB cream, and it just glides on your face. It's like you're not even wearing makeup, and it's very lightweight, but I do love the moisture of it. And I'm just so in love with this BB cream here. So I'm just blending it with my finger, and I'm just going over my on top of my brow, and I'm just going back in to fill in more of the reddish brown on top of my eye. And then I'm just going ahead to blend out more of the BB cream for you guys. So I love it. So I am next, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do this lip combo. I'm using a light pink by NYX Butter Gloss, and I used a brown pencil. So that's it for that. And I'm going to put my hair on. I'm just going to comb it really good. Just combing so you guys can see. So I'm combing my hair so you guys can see how it will look. Trust me, it's going to look really good. I'm not going to look a mess. So I just combed it in there so you see how much the body that my hair have. And with the bang, I love it. You see how the movement is? Like, look at the bang. It's not too thick. And this is my hair for this look. I think I did a fantastic job so far of recreating Cardi B makeup look. I don't think this was hard. This was very simple and easy. It mostly kind of give you like a natural nude color, reddish brown, and a silver pink color look. And I feel like I nailed it. And I think I did amazing of recreating Cardi B's look. Thank you guys so much. Please hit that subscribe button for more, and also hype this video up, and I will see you guys in the next one. And thank you guys so much. And I feel like I really did it with Cardi B. Thank you. And that's the Cardi B Glam complete. And hit the like button, subscribe for more transformations, and I will see you in the next video. And comment down below who should I do next.